Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by making sure the phone is awake and unlocked. This avoids interruptions when changing system settings. Once done, open the Settings app from your home screen or app drawer so you're in the device control center. Next, look for network and internet or connections. Motorola labels can vary by model, so use the search icon at top of settings if you don't see it. This gets you directly to data controls and avoids digging through unrelated menus. Now you'll navigate to data usage and then tap Data Saver to reveal the current setting. You want to see whether it's on or off. If it's on, you'll also see which apps have unrestricted data. Those keep running in the background. Make sure to review that list because turning Data Saver off will allow all apps to use background data. If you prefer limits, consider removing specific apps from unrestricted access instead of toggling the global setting. Flip the Data Saver toggle to off and wait a moment. The system applies the new policy immediately so apps can use background data again. After switching off, open a few apps that were restricted to confirm they sync normally. If connectivity still seems constrained, restart the phone to refresh network services and carrier settings. One troubleshooting tip: if apps still won't update, check individual app data permissions under Apps and Notifications to ensure background data isn't blocked.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.